Hey everyone, in this video, we are going to be reviewing a SillyTavern to see if it's the best AI character chat app in 2026. So this video is a thorough review of SillyTavern, the open source AI character that chat front-end that supports multiple AI backends, including OpenAI, Claude, and local LLMs. First is the chat interface and character cards. So SillyTavern features a sleek dark-themed chat interface with character avatars, message history, and a character card panel, so you can browse and important characters from the community gallery. Next is the character creation editor. So the character creation screen lets you build custom AI characters with detailed personality fields, descriptions, greeting messages, and avatar uploads. So the editor is comprehensive yet user-friendly. Next is API and model configuration. So SillyTavern supports multiple AI backends, OpenAI, Claude, local LLMs, via Obabuga, and more. So the connection settings makes it easy to switch between providers based on your preference. Next is the extension and plugins. So the extension panel shows available plugins including text-to-speech, image generation, word info modules, and more. So these add-ons significantly enhance the chat experience. Lastly is a group chat feature. So SillyTavern's unique group chat lets multiple AI characters converse together in the same room. So each character maintains their personality and interacts with both you and other characters. So just a pro tip, you can create group scenarios with contrasting personalities for the most entertaining interactions. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!